I recently went on a trip to Miami, and if you know me or if you've seen any of my videos, you know that weeks in advance, I was checking the forecast, I was making my list, I was checking it twice, I was doing all the things, right, to prepare for this trip. But one thing I realized as I got down there is I had forgotten something so crucial and critical. And I giggle because it seems so insignificant, but I feel like sometimes things like that are like the most like aha things, right? So I get down there. Again, I had checked the weather. I knew what the temperatures were going to be like, but we get down there and it's super windy. Did not plan for that. And it's much cooler and lower humidity than we ever thought was going to be the case. So I say all this to say I was cold. I was chilly in Miami, and I was like regretting a lot of the things that I had packed, you know, not regretting them, but like wishing I would have packed some other items, maybe some long sleeves. Like it was actually feeling like I'm not going to say cold, but like a cooler, you know, fall evening. So again, like, you know how it is when you get somewhere and you're like, dang it, I forgot something, or I really wish I would have packed yada, yada, yada. Well, this is what has prompted this video. So my one packing item that you must have, this is a must have if you're flying, if you are driving, it does not matter how you're getting from A to B. This item you will enjoy when you're like actually doing the traveling, like in transport, like in getting to said destination. And then it's also the perfect item to have when you are at your destination, right? Okay, without further ado, it is a chambray shirt, okay? A denim shirt, chambray, either one. I like the chambray one because it's a little bit lighter, it's softer. I got this is a brand called Elevensies. I got it from Anthropologie well over a decade ago, I think. And it has lasted perfectly. I wash it, I dry it, I do everything. I have used it all the time. And again, I know this sounds silly, but this is it's like a crucial thing that you should be packing. Had I had this on the plane, it's the perfect lightweight kind of cover up. It's also perfect, like this one ties in the back so it can be, you know, seem more fitted and all that. But regardless, even if yours doesn't do that, you can put it over a dress, you can put it over top, you can dress it up, you can dress it down. Again, wear it for warmth or for fashion. It's just the most like versatile piece of clothing I have. And dare I say, I was thinking about this the other day, it may be something that like the most worn item in my closet. Think about that for a second. Let me know what your most worn item in your closet is, besides like jeans or something. But I mean, I kid you not, I think I've worn this more than anything else in my closet because of that. Like, it just goes with everything. Had I had, you know, like I was really wishing like I just had like a pashmina or something to like throw over my shoulders. Like, this can work for that. It can work as its own shirt. It can work as, you know, a cardigan like type jacket thing. You can put it around your waist when you're done with it. You can, you know, if you're into the tying it around your neck look, you can do that. It just is so versatile. Versatile. Highly recommend. I say this, I know it's silly, but I really, really, really wish I would have had that. And I just wanted to share that information because I just feel like we all get in that predicament where we're like, oh, I don't have the perfect item. What is that perfect thing that I'm missing? And it very well may be that. So, you know, I'll link to a bunch that I like on Amazon. You really can't go wrong. Try out a couple different kinds and see what you like. Do you already have one? Do you use it? If not, try it out, you know? Like I like it, like you can wear denim on denim. You can wear it with black pants. You can wear it with white. Again, you can wear it over a dress. You can wear it over workout stuff. It just looks good all the time. And very few things I feel like does that work with. So it's kind of like, if y'all have read Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants, it's like that, you know, like it just works for everyone and it's just great. Anyways, all right, stay tuned each week for new videos and I'll talk to y'all soon.